Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my fun house of shiny, sharp steel and alike. Yes, it's Fun Night Friday. And first, little announcement. Hopefully, today, later on today, I'm going to get out and do some field testing with my Bark River Cub. Maybe do some baton work and cut up some firewood. It's going to be cold out there, but hey, we'll get through it. So, for this morning, I got a few fun knives out here. You guys seen Superfly. I just wanted to show you this one more time. You'll see it a lot because I like playing with this. But a viewer commented that he had one of these in the 80s, but it didn't have Superfly on there. And I'm sure that's because the previous owner personalized his as in Superfly. And it is very reminiscent of American Graffiti and the old stiletto switchblades. But it is a locking blade. And it actually has 3 pivot points. Or resting points. There's 1, 2, and then it'll come down. Doesn't come down with a lot of force, but I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. So we'll put that out there. The other fun knife I pulled out is this one. I like to use this around the house a lot. It's a Frost from 2000. Not sure what it says on the bottom. Oh, Millennium 2000. And this one here has your Frost engraving, Frost cutlery, and a pretty sweet clip point. But what makes this is this big old spay blade. Definitely good for spreading peanut butter. It's an actual bone, orange bone, worm groove. Built pretty solid. And that comes down with a ton of force. Now the Pakistani meat grinder. I haven't pulled this sucker out in a while. Here's the box. 10 blades, pocket knife. Closed length 4.25 inches, 10 stainless steel blades. That's in case 9 blades aren't enough. White copper bolsters, multicolor wood handle. Item number DH7960, straight from Pakistan. Now, actually, even though this says it has 10 blades, it's 2 sets of 5. And it definitely is a meat grinder. First, I'll show you how wide it is. Over 1.5 inches wide. And you'll see there's 2 sets of 5. You get a pen blade, sheep's foot, spay blade, razor blade, and clip point for the first 5 on this side. Then you go to this side here, you get clip point, spay blade, razor, sheep's foot, and pen blade. All 10. Now the tricky part. Putting this in down without getting cut. Whoops. One day I'll get used to that. So there. If you want to use it, one blade, there you go. Pretty much useless in my book, but I thought it was kind of funny. Stainless Pakistan. Is there a big gouge in there? Let's check out what it says here. Nothing on that one. And the sheep's foot. Nothing there. Razor. Nothing there. Spade blade. Nothing there. So you get the picture. Clip point. The funny thing is you can't get these out unless you move them up. And there's another sheep's foot. So pretty much a useless knife, but I thought it was kind of cool. Just because someone actually spent time to put it together. So there you go, my friends, a short video for you. The Pakistani meat grinder. And hopefully we'll do a little Bark River today. I'm itching to get that out of the box and into the field. So until next time, my friends, take care. Peace. Bye-bye.